everyone, welcome to Life, Home and Garden with Ana Rica. Today I am going to show you how I decorate my entryway using my indoor houseplants. So hopefully you subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and please don't forget to hit the like button. Alright, let's get started. So I have the plant stand. I'm placing it at the corner, and then I will put my dump cane in there. Maybe right there. All right. Look at this beautiful, beautiful dump cane or Diepenbach. Yeah. How healthy is that? All right. Go. Get the other one. Here's another one. There you go. I like to use this for centerpiece. Yep, that's right. And here's my money plants. Just place it over here. That's good enough. My gold elephant. This is over there. Yeah, that looks good there. And here's my peperomia, or they called it baby rubber plants. So I am going to place it maybe over here. Just picking with my elephant. Yep, how about that? And this jade plants, this is new to me. My friend, shout out to Jennifer. Here's your plant. I'm going to use it for decorating my entryway. There you go. I like to place it right there. It's good beside the elephant. Okay, and oops, over here. So this one right here, it's a peperomia as well, but it's a variegated one. We'll just place it right here, and yeah, it's good. And my kalanchoe. There you go. I'll place it right there. Now, what else should I put in there? So this one right here, what I do with this is I place an essential oil, 3 drops of it, and light the candle. And then when this heat up, the scents of the oil will come out, and it's really, really good. All right, let's place it. There you go. And so in here I have essential oil. What I'm going to do is just drop at least 3 drops here in this burner, and what it does, it will release a really good scent, and when your guests came in the door, they will feel more welcome. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. So I'm going to drop 3 drops in here. this is how it looked like now, and I'm really happy what the result is. I really like these two big plants right here, the dump cane, and with the other plants, it's really inviting and smells so good. It's so welcoming, and I hope you like it. Alright, be safe and mabuhay!